Right. Good morning. 10. That is in really good condition actually. I opened it on Friday. No, Monday, sorry. And I brushed it off a bit. Look at that. Not too bad. Not bad at all. And of course it's yeah, it's loose, so it's not seized. Engine head is in really good nick also, and this is the sump which I also brushed. So, and we're getting the bits, yeah, new gaskets for the whole engine, yeah, new bits for everything that we're doing, yeah. So it's coming along nicely, and I'll see you next when I see you. That's the gearbox, which we'll have to recondition also. So see you later, mates.